Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can sort data in Google Sheet alphabetically. Okay, so let's go to the browser and the Google Sheet. Here is my data. Now I'm going to show you how you can sort data alphabetically. You can do this thing by clicking on this space. Just click on this space and you should click on any column, A, B, C, D, E, any column. Just press the right button of the mouse. Now you will see A to Z sort sheet Z to A. My column is already in A to Z, so I'm gonna sort this data in Z to A. Okay, see, it will change Z to A. All this data will be changed. See, it has changed, and the starting is with Z. Okay, starting letter Z and end letter will be A. Okay, now this is how you can change. Another method you can change is going here, data. You will find sort sheet. Just click on A to Z. See, data has changed to A to Z. Okay, now if you want to change the descending order, Z to A, go data. Now click on sheet. You will find sort sheet by column A to Z. Click and see, it will change Z to A. Okay guys, so this is how you can change or sort data alphabetically easily in Google Sheet. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.